Open your browser. Type smmutm.trinajoyo.ac.id. Click on Don't have an account on the dashboard page. You will enter the email verification menu. Type your email address. Press the Submit button. Check your inbox on the email to check your token. Enter the token. The next step is to create a password on the Account Data menu. The next step is to fill in your personal data. Select your nationality, enter your ID card number, your name, place of birth, date of birth, and your mother's name. Next, enter your phone number on the Contact Data menu. Select the country code, then enter your phone number. Click Consent Statement. Check your email inbox. The activation link and PIN have been sent. Activate from the link provided. Insert the PIN. Then press the Submit button. After that, you can log in, enter your email address and password for your SMM UTM account. Login successfully. You enter the bio menu. Change your profile picture with your latest official photo. The photo format is JPG. The maximum size is 1 megabyte. Check your personal data. Change it if there is any incorrect data. Then, check your contact data. Click Permanently Data to make sure your data is correct, legitimate, and you won't change data that's already permanent. Click the School Data tab. Change the school data, enter your school name, entry year, and graduation year. When you're done, click the Change Data tab. Next, click the Document Data tab. Upload documents consisting of ID card, high school academic transcripts, motivation letters, curriculum vitae, recommendation letter from the school or Indonesian embassy, health certificate, Indonesian language certificate, optional, and TOEFL certificate. All documents in PDF format, with a maximum size of 1 megabyte. Next, if you want to change the password, click the Change PSSER tab, enter the old password and the new password. If you don't want to change your password, skip it. Click Permanently Data to make sure your data is correct, legitimate, and you won't change data that's already permanent. Successful biodata filling. You can switch to the registration page menu. You can apply for the International Student Affirmation Pathway. Click the Register tab. Pay attention to the timeline. Each color has a different meaning of stages. To select a study program, click the Change tab. Select a study program. If you have already selected, click the Save tab. Then, click the Back tab. The document upload column has been completed automatically because the document file has been filled in at the beginning of the registration process. You can ignore it. Next step, click the Data Lock column, then scroll down. Click Permanently Data to make sure your data is correct, legitimate, and you won't change data that's already permanent. The Create Bill column and the Registration Payment column automatically turn green because you are an Affirmation Scholarship recipient. The next step, click the Print Application Form column. Click the Print tab. Make sure the paper size used is A4 and the barcode is visible under the self-photo. You can see the announcement on the registration page in column 8 of the announcement. The registration process is complete. You can log out.